Good morning, everyone. First, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. He compared children with buds of flower. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is a happy day for children. It is also called Bala Divas. On the days, various events like dance, drama, singing, music, speech, essay writing, etc. Competitions for children for Children's Day. Children's Day is a great day to take forward Nehru's dream in education of children. Thank you.